Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Hamolar 50 amp ANL fuse and holder. The purpose of this fuse, and fuses in general, is to prevent the electrical wire from overheating and potentially catching on fire. In this video we're going to show you what the product looks like when you first receive the package and how to connect this fuse to lug connectors. Let's get into the details. This fuse arrives in a Ziploc bag, and there are 3 ANL fuses and holders in this package. This is great if you need more than one set. Let's take them out of the packaging. However, the manufacturer doesn't provide any additional fuses in case you happen to burn through one, so picking up additional fuses may be a good option. To set this fuse up, remove the cover. Take off the hex nuts, then take off the washers and fuses. These are 5/16 of an inch M8 terminal posts, so you will need 5/16 of an inch lugs to make your connection. In this video, we will be using these 5/16 of an inch lugs that accommodate 6-gauge wire. To set this fuse up, place the lugs over the posts. Then place a set of flat washers over the posts. Put your ANL fuse on top. Then place a second set of flat washers, and then your lock washers. And finally, fix everything together with your hex nuts. And when you're done, place the cover back over the fuse. Screws are also provided in the package so that you can fix the fuse to your surface material. Our only criticism is that the product doesn't come with any backup fuses, so if you want them, you'll need to get them yourself. But other than that, this is a solid fuse for your electrical system. Building an electrical system in a camper van can be complicated. Just look at all the products that you'll need. That's why we provide an electrical wiring ebook filled with simple, intuitive wiring diagrams and product and tool recommendations to help you build your system as fast as possible. To access this free ebook, click the link in the description below or head over to our website's homepage. Happy building!